shows in Showtime, in BGB, and TV5 has given me permission to guest and promote the movie.
Yung working relationship with Italy, how is it?
It's awesome. She's really, really cool. Nung nag-umpisa nga kami, kaibigan ko dito si Billy, pero mas kaibigan ko na si Colleen yan. Like Direk said, we're all like one big family when we're working, and she puts in a lot of input in the scenes. Direk gives us our freedom to voice out what we think. At the end of the day, siya yung they call as nice as he listens also to what we want to say. And Colleen is she surprised me because at first she has really strong features. Kala ko antipatica, and I'm also a victim of that. People think I'm antipatico, but she's really down to earth and a very cool girl. So yeah, in general, the whole experience working with Colleen was great.
Anong na-miss mo sa working with stars?
Yung husay nila gumawa ng pelikula. They're the best out there. I learned how to be the actor that I am today through the brilliant directors that they have, with the brilliant actors that they paired me with. I miss that whole thing about Star Cinema. Nagbuo yung si Derek as an actor. So, nagtiwala sila ako i-partner sa mga mahuhusay na artista, to be guided by great directors. And they're very, parang mabusisi. Yun yung na-miss ko. Kasi sa totoong buhay, I'm OC. Mabusisi rin. And with them, talagang walang makakalagpas. Kung di mo binigay yung 100% mo, appreciate ko. Ulit siya.
Last question. Start na ba ito ng new relationship with ABS or exclusive to
This is for Star Cinema. This is strictly for Star Cinema. But going back to the relationship, that relationship never died. We had our issues, but for me, the issue never, the relationship never died. It was just there. May mga problema here, pero wala na. It's both parties have moved on, and we're here to work together and come up with a brilliant film, or films, hopefully. And yeah, I'm really excited for you to see this movie. Very fresh yung approach na atake ng director namin. And Colleen is a new face to the big screen, and I think she did very well.
No TV guessing.
Yeah, I'm going to be guesting with the...
Not for the movie.
Ibang usapan na yan.
Ayan, next question, manggagaling kay Kumagkaw, di ba?
Yes. Hi, good afternoon. I'm gonna go straight to the point. Your movie is actually nice. I've seen the trailer. But you're kind of getting some flack from people in the medical representative industry. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask you guys, what do you think about it? And their impression about the film.
Yeah, there's some reactions that we're disrespecting the whole line of work that Reps do.
Yes.
But I feel that in anything in life, before you assume anything, you should get as much information as you can. Sana these people, no disrespect to them, would give us the chance to show that we're not disrespectful there. We have complete respect for what they do. Everyone here, everyone working on the set, we look at them and know how hard their work is, because they have to deal with different products, and they have to know the background of their product, and they have to deliver that to doctors in a way to gain their trust. And I think that's even the harder part, is to gain the trust of the doctors out there. And so sana they give the movie a chance, and then say their piece.